Meaning of cynosure. Cynosure. Cynosure.
Cynosure. Cynosure. Cynosure refers to something or someone that is a center of attention or admiration. It is often used in the context of a guiding star or a point of reference. A cynosure can be a person, a place, or an object that attracts attention and serves as a focus for others. The term is typically associated with positive qualities such as excellence, beauty, or influence. As a noun, it signifies a point of interest, while as an adjective, it describes something that is most important or captivating.